show you what the mullen looks like when it's open, which is quite beautiful. It only opens in the morning. Doesn't open any other time of day. I'm trying to get here. Hope I don't get hit by lightning. Yeah, sometimes to get the really good pictures, you gotta take some risks. Shit. This doesn't look good. I sure hope it doesn't start thundering. If it does, I gotta get out of here. I don't want to get hit. Make our way to the lake. Anybody can even see anymore because it's quite dark in here now. But I did want to get some rain in the lake, so the only way to do that is to get off your ass when it's raining and go to the lake in the morning, which I am doing. Couldn't sleep, so going to see if we can get us some good shots today, and I'll probably lay down. We're here to the lake now.